Guys, it's me and a bald dude in the forest. This is Green Hill VR, and this is me, an editor. I haven't recorded video with him in forever because I haven't made a video in forever also. He took a journey to make his editing skills sometimes better. I can't put a stick down still. It's there. So yeah, we decided to make our base in a bamboo forest area because there's trees over there and there's mud over there. Oh, that's how they're trying to make a spear, but let me cancel the building and we can try to make like a different door. Like we're trying to make a fully mud base. As you can see, we started on some mud. I just broke that and I smacked you. I don't know what we're doing wrong. Oh, we can build this. We can just use this as a door, I guess. I mean, we can't jump. So I was able to make this. So I don't know. Can we not make? I mean, we can try that. Okay. Honestly, hold. Let's try another doorway. It's a sliding doorway. Let's try this one. Yeah, this don't work. Guys, so I think I know our problem. Oh yeah, we made mud bricks yesterday while we played. Just drop it in there. Can you go collect some doo-doo? Can you go collect doo-doo? Oh, so we made a furnace yesterday, and we don't know what it actually does. It's just like a doo-doo steamer. Oh, you found? Okay. Okay, so I don't know. Like, I have an idea on what we might be doing. Like, let's just try this. Okay. Yeah, I have ash. No, it's because what I was thinking is that, like, we put another, like, border right here. Like, we put another one of them, but I can't place it down. Yeah, but I literally can't place it down. Like, you try to do that. Yeah, I can't put a door here. I can put a door right here, but it's probably not going to work. I may put that stick, so. Bro, I didn't even cancel that. I canceled the wrong build. I canceled the wrong build, guys. By the way, this is our last pile of ash. We gotta wait for this to. Oh wait, I just realized it. Me. Put it. And there's our meat's done. Well, it worked for like a split second, but now it don't work. I did it! Hold up, how did I do that? Line it up, line it up, line it up! Line it up! Line it up! So you gotta line it up and hammer it in. Oh, brain cells! Our brain cells! Crap, I said your name, you gotta edit that, you gotta blur that out. Hammer it! Hammer it! Hammer it! Holy crap, our brain cells! Oh, yo! Where? Oh, give me this. Finally! No, we won't get spied on. Okay, come on. Place it. Yes! Now we can put doo-doo mud on here. There. No, we don't. Also, I'm gonna take a piece of meat in my stack. Oh, wait, there's water in our water catchers. Yeah, we made these water purifiers and collectors. So we should have just enough water to make it. Yep, we have enough water. Okay. We're getting a little muddy today, guys. Doo-doo! Doo-doo! Bro, this looks like a fat load after Taco Bell. Literally, that looks like a fat load after Taco Bell. Okay, we need 2 more mud brick. Perfect. Perfect! Absolute cinema. This is the door. Like, we just enter. There's no actual door. This is a doorway. Yo, you know what we can build? If we like extend this again, like we can make a firewall in this. We can make a fire that goes in the side. We need to make that, but we need to extend again. But I can't extend for some reason. I'll move stuff out of the way, maybe. Yeah, probably. Can't put it there. Wait, do you think like if we replace the like this little shelter right here, we can do it? Yeah, it's fine. We can just like. Okay, I gotta do this over here, and then I gotta cancel the build because like I cannot get rid of. I cannot get rid of. Oh my god. Get out! Get out! Okay, I'm just gonna put another fire blueprint when ours runs out. Okay, I'm going to destroy it. Yo, oh, TS is not invincible. Luckily, we get all our materials back, and we can just make it again, so it's good. Oh, I just realized there's dry leaf. So, I'm able to make it fun. Is it because everything's going uphill and downhill, or is it because it's rock? Because I can put it perfectly where this rock is. Yeah, now there's a rock here, so what are we gonna do with this? Yeah, we can't destroy a rock. That'll just destroy our tools. Also, we get a bunch of mysterious snails from this for some reason. Oh, I'm just gonna grill this. Oh, we can actually cook the mysterious snails. So we just destroyed our saver. Like, this is the only area I'm able to put it. But, like, dang. We can't put it on this side. Can't put it right here because everything goes uphill. Like, everything over here goes uphill. I can put it where the mud mixer is, but we can't do that. Oh, look! Yo! Okay, I managed to do this. See how much doo-doo we get. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh no, I was about to break down this thing. Okay, so now I should be able to place this right there, right? Yeah, we gotta move it. Hey, bro, are you gonna help move the doo-doo caca? We have a bunch of wood, remember? We have a bunch of wood. Nah, I like expanding. We're like you said, we have too much bamboo. Hey man, don't do that. Oh my gosh, bro, bro, we gotta organize everything because it is all falling everywhere. Oh, it's because we're isolated in this one area, so not very soon. This is where our base is, so we're like, if we want to encounter cannibalists, we gotta actually go deep inside the forest. But I mean, we have a bunch of sticks and rocks. I think you're good. It had a personality, like special ed or. I don't know. I mean, there's something I know that you can build. Now, where's a trusty sharp bone right here? I rope this up. And then we got 2 spears. I mean, we have a stick sanctuary. So if we make this. Now we have a proper spear on us. Oh wait, is it this? Oh yeah, I figured out how to throw a spear properly. You gotta use your hand, and then you can just, yeah. What? Oh, you found a crab? Oh, yes, yes! Editor, I have a new weapon! Editor, I got it. I got quite a special one. Where are you? No, just look at this absolute beast of a weapon. Look at this. I made a spear. You grab a sharpened rock, sharpen a spear, grab the sharpened rock, put rope on it, and combine the two, and you get this baby. The upgraded spear, and you can throw it like. It is turning night indeed. Anyways, I'm gonna grab 2 pieces of mud because I'm pretty sure our wood fire is gonna dry out. Editor, we have an entire rope reserve, aka the stone reserve. No, the wood. Oh, yeah, I'm getting lower on it. Actually, it's a tapir. Give me this meat. Eat. It's remember, it's far. It's across the river. Bro, we have so much axe. We have like so much stone and stuff and wood. I'll just give you a rock here. Yeah, our fire. Yeah, our fire just went out, by the way. Make a torch. No, I don't have torches on me. I gotta make this. My axe just broke on me. Oh yeah, you got a leech on you. You gotta be aware of that. Anytime you go in the river, you gotta watch out for leeches. No, they don't attack us from in the night. I just found a mud. Oh, we have mud bricks. Come on. Hey, come on. Where is it? Flint? Stone? Wait, I need fire starter. Hold up. Oh. There. The mystery smells cooked. Wait, I'm dirty actually, I can't eat. Oh, I'm getting a fungus infection or something. Okay, go to sleep. I just got the height glitch again. No, I didn't. Like in my sleep, I just became taller. Oh, never mind. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash off. Oh yeah, I found an axe on the ground, my bad. Here. We gotta, like, we just gotta make the stuff quick to get rid of the materials. I should, yeah, I am dirty. I gotta get a coconut or something and pour water on me, because I'm crusty. Bro, this TS don't work. I can't eat with this. I'm gonna get an infection. Like I can't even eat food. Or are you at the tree reserve? Okay, I'm gonna work on this area. Rope is like hard to get if like we don't have any. We should be able to make it out of leaves. I made it in real life. Oh, my dad just came back. I hear him. Oh, you are hunting. Oh, I just threw the... Oh, there. No. Get this stupid piece of big bamboo. There you are. Hey, you know that's not how you make a spear. You need to get a you gotta smack rock on each other. Oh, you just made a spear, I guess. Does it say spear? Because it looks sharp. Oh yeah, no, you have a spear. This is a spear. You got one. That's right. You gotta get one of these, smack 2 rocks together, you'll get this, put rope on this, and then you can attach it onto there. Just smack 2 rocks together. Bro, you can literally, it's literally the simplest thing ever to get a rock here. It's simpler than getting I'm gonna whip 2 on you. I'm gonna whip 2 on you. Oh, put some rope on it. Rope on it, and then you can just attach that straight onto the spear. Right, I'm gonna go harvest some stick. Oh, you hold you hold the trigger on the hand that you're holding the spear. Yeah. Also, how you actually like aim it?
Tasty.
You
That's
aim
what I needed.
with your other hand. You like aim where you want to do it. Okay, I'll just continue for a little bit. Okay, I'm ending the video now.